Yes, it's this time of the year. I want to invite you to It's a Kind of Magic retreat in Iceland. So last year, I took 12 photographers to this insane house in the middle of Iceland. It was epic. It was amazing. We got blasted by the wind. We shot behind waterfalls, through epic canyons, around these wild rock formations, straight out of Game of Thrones. It was crazy. I have to say it was crazy, but it was amazing. We did morning masterclasses over coffee, late night chats over snacks. We played table tennis and Pac-Man, chilled in a hot tub under the northern lights, which was pretty epic, I'm not gonna lie. And yes, we made some pretty cool photos too. These are photos from the attendees you're seeing now. But more than anything, we actually connected. It was amazing. It wasn't just a workshop. It felt like a reset. And now I want to do it again this October. It's called It's a Kind of Magic. We're heading back to Iceland, October 13th to 17th. 12 photographers, that's the limit. One house, 5 days together. If you wonder what we're doing at this retreat, I'll tell you. In the morning, we start with a little grounding session, movement, breath work, stillness, led by my wife, Suzanne. She's amazing, by the way. Then we dive into masterclasses. So over the course of the retreat, I'm going to be teaching a bunch of masterclasses, branding, workflow, editing, flash, booking awesome wedding. Not just theory, but I want to have conversation personalized to where you guys are at. And throughout the week, I'll give each of you a personal feedback as well on your work, your portfolio, your website, whatever you want to improve. So think of this as this creative tune-up. And afternoons we shoot. So the retreat starts Monday afternoon and finishes Friday morning. And so Tuesday and Thursday we shoot. We have shoots with real couples in the most ridiculous Icelandic locations you can imagine. So waterfalls, cliffs, wind, all that stuff. Again, we travel together in comfortable bus, hang out, chat, vibe. And then on Wednesday, we have a chill day to just have a little cool trip together and explore the Icelands together without shooting couple. But we bring cameras, obviously. Evenings, that's when the magic settles in. We eat each day dinner at food halls after we finish the sessions late night. Then we come back to the lodge, we chill in the hot tub, we review photos. I have feedback sessions, review sessions, maybe more master classes. So each evening there's gonna be one specific master class or feedback session, and maybe another round of Pac-Man if you don't want to go to sleep. If you've been feeling a bit of stuck or just tired of doing this thing called wedding photography alone, this might be exactly what you need. I made it for photographers who want to shoot more of they actually love, for people who've always dreamed of visiting Iceland and want to come back with epic photos and clearer vision for their business, and for people who want to grow but also have fun doing it in this small intimate group of people. And because I like to reward people who take action, and I want to encourage you to actually book this so I can make this happen again. If you book before next Monday, so 7 days from now, before Monday, June 10th, you'll get bonuses. There's going to be $800 off the full final price of the retreat. You're going to get my complete digital connection, so Flash Magic, presets, Imagine profile, gallery, feedback video, all of that you get for free. And then I'll throw in a 90-minute one-on-one mentoring call with me. So all of that is worth over $1,500, and it's included free when you grab your spot before the deadline. So I highly encourage you. This is the best deal I'll offer. Period. I'm not offering better deal afterwards. You can split the payment if you want. We have 5 months before this actually happens. So if you're thinking about coming, now is the time. Check out the link below, and I'll see you in Iceland. Ciao.